Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's the first time I'm doing a face-to-face video on this channel. My name is Melica Skylife. Welcome and welcome to Skylife Fitness channel. Now, in this video, I'll be covering what I did in the beginning to lose 40 pounds. So if you want to see that, please subscribe and keep watching. Okay, so from time to time I'll be glancing down on my notes because I made sure to take notes because I want to cover these 10 things that I did, these key basic things that I did, and I didn't want to miss any of them because all of them were very important to me in losing this weight of 40 pounds. I've actually lost more than 40 pounds, but I'll just put that 40 pounds for now because my weight fluctuates over time. So the first thing I want to say to you is weight loss, losing weight is not easy. It's a lot of hard work, consistency. You have to be consistent, and also you have to find your discipline. It develops discipline in you as a person overall, and it will filter into all the other areas of your life, right? So the first thing I stopped doing is drinking soda. I completely cut out soda out of my life. This was the first thing I did before I started to work out or anything. I cut out soda. I only drank water. Normally, I would drink 1.5 liters of water daily. And that's what I would drink. I cut out soda. So the 1.5 liter is about this big. Yeah. I drink 2 of that daily, every single day. I didn't miss. Right? So the second thing that I did is I watched how I ate and the time that I had meals as well. So how I ate. So I'm a person who used to cut and swallow my food. I didn't take time to chew my food properly, and you know that hinders in digestion. So when you chew your food in big chunks, I don't take time to chew it until it's kind of like porridge like. It's harder to break down. And what I've learned is when you chew your food more, the sweeter it is to you. You get more of the nutrients out of the food. So what I started to do is I started to try to eat slower and chew my food properly. I spend time chewing. And then now I try to, the timing of when I eat, I try to make sure that I had a meal 6 o'clock would be my last meal. So I would generally, I don't really eat breakfast. I'm not a breakfast person, but I would eat lunch at 12, and then before I go to school, like 5-6 o'clock, I would have a big meal in town. This was very costly for me to do, but it was something that I wanted to do because I didn't want to go home when I leave school, because I go to school when I leave school like 9 o'clock. I reach home 10 o'clock. I would be eating regularly. So I cut that out. I eat before I go to school. So when I reach home, I'm already full, right? The third thing, the two other steps before this third thing, when I started this third step, I was already getting results by stop drinking juices, watching when I eat, and how I eat. So I took it up another notch because I started to get results. I started to feel more confident in myself as a person, and I know that I could like crush it this time, you know, because I have been trying to lose weight for years now, and I am just getting my breakthrough. I just got my breakthrough, and I was so excited that I could do more. So what I did is I started to work out at home, right? I started to work out at home, and what I started to use, I started to work out on a channel called Fitness Blender. On Fitness Blender, you have all different types of workout. You have toning, and the workout that I did because I wanted to move my weight loss like a bit faster because I was just starting, and I did my research, and my research told me that if you do high interval training workouts, you'll lose a lot of weight faster. And that's what I did every day for at least 30 minutes. I worked out on Fitness Blender for 30 minutes with one of their workouts. At first, I couldn't manage it 30 minutes, so I did it until I couldn't go no more. Right? I wasn't perfect in getting all the moves right, but I made sure that I did my workout. I didn't miss. But in doing that, I also had this exercising belt. It's a Mac Davis exercise belt. It was very critical in helping me to shrink my belly, my tummy. you know. I started to wear this exercise belt, and I started to get this hourglass shape that I've always dreamt of. In relations with that, I'd also add this product to my belly before I start working out. So I would put on this product, which is called Belly Gone. This product is made here, right here in Jamaica, and I started to use this product with my exercising belt, and I started to get amazing results in terms of the hourglass curve that I want. And I also had a lot of love handles, that's what I call them, like the back roll, the back fat. I also had a lot of back fat, and I really wanted to eliminate that. And I did my research, and I knew that if I got an exercising belt and I was sweating enough on my belly, I would start to see them rubbing out, vanishing. And that is exactly what happened. So remember now, guys, I am drinking water only. I'm eating the same food now, you know, but I'm eating at different times. I didn't eat at night. And also I started to work out, and I'm chewing my food properly, and I started to get results. In doing that alone, I lost about 25 pounds in no time. Because when you're working out, you get faster results when you just start workout. Over time, I upgraded to this belt. It has a strap, 2 straps. So I would put this around this is a strap. I would put the band around my belly, then I would pull it tight to how I wanted it, so it would look like this. So it would look like this with this at the front. That in me upgrading my belt, I started to see even more results, because in this belt you have some bones that keeps the structure of your body, right? So another thing that I'd implement in my journey is I started to drink apple cider vinegar, the one with the mother in it. That's the Blvd apple cider vinegar. I drank it every morning and every night when going to bed. This is a daily detox. So what happens is when I wake up in the morning, I drink it and I go to the bathroom right away. I'm cleansing my body right away. So it's the Blvd apple cider vinegar. And what you have is 2 tablespoons of the apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lime or lemon juice, and that's in an 8-ounce glass of water. You drink that. It's not easy to stomach at the beginning, but that's what I did to get my results. Okay, so now I took it up another notch. I told myself I was going to stop eating in large portions. So I cut down the portions that I was eating. I might have been eating the same amount of food, but I ate it in small portions. So the food that I would eat in one setting, I ate it in 3 different settings. You understand? So I cut down the portion. Okay, so in doing that, cutting down the portion, I also cut rice, bread, flour, anything sweet, I cut that out. And that was just my preference. And in doing that, I got a lot more results. Another thing that I did is in the day, I stopped eating like fast food, fried chicken, KFC, Burger King. I cut those out completely. I eat them now, but I cut those out completely at the time. I started to prepare my own meal and bring that to work so I could have lunch. So preparing your own meal plays a big role in losing weight if you want to do it proper, because the food that we are consuming now, yeah, so we all know that fast food is not good for us. Another key thing that I started to do is I started to feed myself with positive energy, positive thinking. Spiritually, I started to cleanse myself to make sure that I'm pure as a person, you understand, inside out. I tried to channel my thoughts on things that I really want, like for myself, you know. So I think positively, I speak positively to myself. Everything that is positive, everything negative, I cut it out of my life completely. Toxic people, I'm gonna deal with them, because those things will only pull you back in getting what you really want. And in getting healthy, it's important to have good energy, and not only getting healthy, but overall in your everyday, day-to-day life. Another key thing, this is the 10th thing that I'm going to tell you, is I set goals. So when I just started to work out, I said, okay, I want to lose 10 pounds by this time. And then when I lose the 10 pounds, I said, bucket of me lose 10 pounds. Then I work harder the next time to lose 20 pounds. Then I reach 25. I'm say, bucket of milk, you reach at 25. Your goal weight is like 150. You're not far away from it. And I just set goals, demolish them, and make new goals. So that's just some of the things that I did to lose 40 pounds. You know, this has been an amazing journey. I'm a completely different person inside and out, and I must say I'm very, very happy. And the journey has taught me a lot of things in discipline, in valuing myself as a person, in teaching me how to put myself first, taking care of myself first. A lot of other things, and I must say I'm grateful and thankful for this experience, because maybe if I didn't get this experience, my life would be in a downward spiral, you know. So I'm just so happy and excited. I am going to share more information with you guys on my weight loss and the different things that has happened to me, and just to see if I can impact or help one person every single day. That's my goal. So give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love, and I'll see you on the next video.